Well, it's Sunday the let's have a look at Sunday the 6th of November today. Hope everybody's keeping okay. Today, checking up on my seedlings. The carnation doing really well, but these are the ones I'm concentrating on. My Dahlia Black Beauty. I'm going to be putting these on. So, ordered some of these from Wilco's. They came yesterday or the day before. You get 24 cells in each one, and you get 5 trays, which is not bad. They're only a few pound. 38cm trays there, both with holes in, which is great. So just take the stickers off. Don't leave them on. It's lazy leaving those on. So we'll see how many. Also, I started using these. I'm using peat-free compost, and for some reason I seem to be getting really sore on my hands when I'm using it, which I never used to get with the peat-based stuff. So yeah, that's one side. Yeah, everything's going really well. I've got all the bedding stoves that arrived 2 days ago, so I'm going to be sorting that out, unboxing that. I'll make a video about that in a bit, just show you what's in there. Yeah, that's alright. All you need to do with these is, once you get them out like so, just fill them up gently, brush it to the edge. Always, with my trays, look, you've got a gap there at that end. If you don't want to fill your tray up underneath with compost, always push it to one end first, put the tray, and then once you've done this end, get your fingers in there, just tap it down, make sure it's firm, not too firm, then push it to the other end, so no folds in that end either. Just give it a tap down like so. There we go. Right, we've got the seedlings now. So these will go back into the seed tray, into my heater propagator. These, just show you how I pick these out. Really quite simple. Name tag for starters, get that in the back there. Just get my little dibber. I need to use anything like this, pen, little knife, just gently out like so. And all you need to do then is just separate them, get them by the leaves there. You don't want to damage any of the true leaves, so as you do it like so, all you do is with the pen, a hole, and like so, just tap it down. You don't want to be too firm with it, because you don't want to snap the stem. These are only baby seedlings. So let's carry on with these. I'm really looking forward to these. I've not grown this variety before, Black Beauty, with the Dahlia, so I am really looking forward to these. Everybody keeps saying, oh, it's too early. But I'm going to have a heated greenhouse. I've got some lights, LED lights, that these will be going under, which I'll show you when I finish putting them on. So yeah, I hope everybody's keeping okay. I've had coronavirus twice so far, which I'm really sick of. Just getting over the last lot of it. So yeah, we'll finish putting those up, and by magic all the tray will be done in a second. Right, so just got the last two to do here. Just in with the pen like so. A little bit with cocoa coir, and then we'll just want nearly alright. Just got one too many, which is a really good working out. So all I need to do now is just give them a water like so. Get that flat on here. This compost is already damp. Cocoa coir is a bit like peat. It absorbs a hell of a lot of moisture. So that's one thing I do like about it. And it's free draining as well, so it's a really good. It's also got no feed in it at all. bit like peat that way, it's quite neutral. But these dahlias, these black beauties, should grow really, really well now. So I'll give them a water. And all I'll do with these now is, just trying to do this, we'll go and put these under the LED lights. So I've got these actually switched on now, which is great. Put them there. There's 3 sets of twin LED lights up there. So yeah, they'll soon pick back up. So yeah, if you've got any questions about anything growing in my greenhouse, please don't hesitate to ask, folks. If you like the videos, please subscribe. Say hi, monkey. Hi, Paul. Hi, monkey. And as always, please stay lucky. Thank you very much, mate. Thank you. Bye.